Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a super cute and easy bow that's perfect for beginners. Whether you are looking to make a lovely hair bow, accessory for your clothes, or even a festive Christmas decoration, this bow is versatile and fun to make. So let's get started. You'll need yarn of your choice. I'm using yarn of medium weight, worsted 100% cotton, but you can use any thickness, just make sure you are using the suggested hook from the yarn label, 5mm crochet hook, scissors, and a yarn needle. You can easily adjust the measurements of the bow by adding stitches and rows. It's always best to modify it to your liking. We are starting with the main part, chain 40. Half of this chain will be the length of your bow because we are making a rectangle that will be folded in a half and sewn. This is the middle of the bow. Onto the first row, skip a stitch and make a single crochet in every stitch of the chain. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Make a single crochet into each stitch. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Repeat this until you reach the desired width of your bow. I did 10 rows. Then we fold this rectangle in half and slip stitch the ends together. For the tails, chain 30. Skip a stitch and make a single crochet in every stitch of the chain. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Now there will be a slight change. You skip a stitch and make a single crochet in the second stitch of the row. This will be repeated every 2 rounds, so we will skip a stitch every second round. This will create an angled tail. Make a single crochet into every stitch of the row. Chain 1, turn Make single crochet into every stitch, chain 1, turn, skip 1 stitch, and make a single crochet into every stitch. Continue with row 1 and 2 until the desired width of your tail. I did 5 rows. As you can see, we created an angle by skipping a stitch in every second row. Make a second tail. Now, for the middle part, chain 15. You can measure if your chain is long enough by wrapping it around the main part. Skip the first stitch and single crochet into every stitch of the chain. Chain 1 and turn your work, single crochet into every stitch. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Repeat this row until you reach the desired width of the middle part. I did 3 rows. You can iron or steam or even wet block the finished tails of the bow if you want them more uniform. Depending on the type of yarn you use, it may be necessary so they don't twist. The last step is sewing. Wrap the middle part around the main part of the bow and sew in the back. Sew the tails onto the back, make sure the angled sides are facing the correct way. You can easily attach it to hair clips, headbands, clothing, or use it as a festive decoration on your Christmas tree or gifts. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. Leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials. Thanks for watching!